Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 and today I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. So let's get started. Pairing a HUAWEI watch with an Android phone is a bit tricky because you can't really download the HUAWEI Health application from the Play Store and then use it to pair the devices together. You first need to download the HUAWEI AppGallery and use it to download the HUAWEI Health, which is a bit convoluted. That's why sometimes it might cause a problem. But it's not as hard as you might think. So first we need to turn on our watch. So we're gonna press and hold the Crown button to turn it on. Once you see the HUAWEI logo, you can release the button. And now we need to download and install the HUAWEI AppGallery. And to do that, you can open any browser on your watch, not the watch, but phone, my bad. And in the browser, you need to type in appgallery.huawei.com. And once you type it in and tap on enter or go further, you will arrive at this page. And at this page, you need to tap on this button right here in the top left corner to download the HUAWEI AppGallery. So we're gonna tap on install AppGallery and we'll start downloading. And after it's done, you maybe see the pop-up about the file being downloaded. You can tap on open, settings. And if you see this page, you need to allow the permission. So tap on the switch. Then you will see the pop-up about the AppGallery. If you want to install the app, we want to install it. And after that, tap on more details, install anyway, confirm, which is very annoying on Android, but safety features. And then we can tap on open. And at this point, you should see the AppGallery. You can go through the setup page, and here you should see the home page of the AppGallery. Now we need to search for the HUAWEI Health. So tap on search, type in HUAWEI Health. And as you can see, it's here on the search list, and we can tap on install right here to install it. Again, if you don't have the required permission, tap on settings, allow it from this source, go back, tap on install again next to HUAWEI Health, and now it should start downloading. And then we can tap on install to install it. And after it's done installing, the open button will appear and we can open it. Here, select the service region. I don't recommend to use United States because some of the features won't work, but you can use whatever you like. But I just don't recommend to use United States. Then tap next, next, agree. If you see this pop-up, it's not required, but you can allow ordinary permission for the physical activity and notifications. We can close this. As you can see, we can also enable show step count in notification panel. I'm just gonna tap cancel for now, and then we can tap on devices, add device, and you will need to log in into HUAWEI ID account. If you don't have an account, you can always create one by tapping on register, then use it to log in. I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in quickly. We need to get the code from the email address. Basically, you tap right here on the get code pop up, and then you need to wait for the email with the code to verify that it's your account. Okay, we got the email, and the code is 755906. So 755906. Tap on OK, and we're logged in now. And after you log in, the app will restart. We need to tap on devices again. First, let's skip this. Tap on devices, add device, allow the required permission. The app will start scanning for the nearby devices, and as long as your watch is turned on, it should detect it. But if it doesn't, go to your watch If you see the list of languages, select the language, and then the app should detect your watch. And once it does, you can tap on connect, scroll down and tap on allow. Tap on the check mark to confirm. Allow the required permission. Here, check the box and tap on next. Here you don't need to check the box, it's not required, but if you want to use the fall detection, check the box and then tap next. If you don't care, tap next without checking the box. Come on. Okay. Right here we can check the boxes to basically automatically update the watch. It will automatically download the updates and install them. If you check the boxes, if you don't care, you can just uncheck them and continue. Now tap on done, continue. And right here we can enable the phone notifications for our watch. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you need to enable them right here and then enable notifications for specific applications on your phone. Tap on done, okay. And if you don't have the required permission, you will need to authorize it. And after some time and dealing with all the permissions, you should see the device page. On it, you should see your HUAWEI Watch Fit 5. And if you go to your watch, you can go through the tutorial. And your watch should be ready to use. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.